How to fix Selfie Under review on Tinder. Stuck on Selfie Under review while trying to verify your Tinder profile? Don't worry, I've got the fix. In this video, I will explain why this happens and how to speed up the verification process so you can get back to swiping as soon as possible. So let's get started. The number one step is to wait for at least 24 hours. Tinder's review process usually takes a few minutes but can sometimes take up to a day. If it's been over 24 hours, move on to the next steps. Second step is to restart the app and clear the cache. Now to restart, keep on tapping on this home button just like this and tap on to restart. And to clear the cache, open the settings just like this and tap on to general. Just right here, select it and tap on to iPhone storage. Then scroll down and find Tinder. Just like this, tap on it and tap on to offload app. After offloading the app, your cache of the Tinder will be cleared. Next step is to try a different internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Just right here and use a VPN if optional if you suspect Tinder is blocking your request. And that's how you fix Tinder's Selfie Under review issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.